These vegan energy balls will make you smile. They are nutrient dense, so easy to make, and you'll feel amazing after you eat them. We'll start with a cup of oats with its soluble fiber and protein and antioxidants. Put that into a bowl for dry ingredients, and then you'll add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, which are very low calorie, but really filling, full of fiber, omega-3s, calcium, and they are a complete protein. And then you're going to add a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, which is essentially cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and cloves. Mix those 3 dry ingredients nicely together. And then in a separate bowl, you're going to add a 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of pumpkin, which is rich in beta carotene. And did you know that this winter squash is actually a fruit? It has seeds on the inside, but it's so nutritious like vegetables, so people often consider it a veggie. And then add 4 tablespoons or 1/4 cup of almond butter with its antioxidants and protein and vitamin E, and then add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. I thought that was plenty sweet, but if you like your energy bites very sweet, add another tablespoon. Mix those wet ingredients together, then pour the dry ingredients on top and mix all of the ingredients together. And then you're going to form little energy balls and pop those cuties into the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, and then they'll be ready for you to enjoy. So tell me, would you make these pumpkin pie spice veggie energy balls? I'd love to hear your thoughts.